Hello guys, Nepal Times here, welcome to a new video. As you can see, I'm in my Christmas set today and we got another unboxing. So yesterday I unboxed the AirPods Max, you can see that video right here. And yeah, those are great. In fact, my hair is not very good because I've been using them and it's been messing around with my head. But anyway, alongside the AirPods Max I bought this. This is the 20-watt power adapter. It's been very controversial this year because all new iPhones, Apple Watches, AirPods Max, and yeah, pretty much anything you buy from Apple today won't have a power adapter. So this is what Apple wants you to buy, and in this video we're gonna unbox it and see how worth it is. Okay. 20-watt power adapter, USB-C. This is what Apple gets you. Of course it will look different depending on your region. This is the European one. I do have a British one that came with the HomePod Mini, because the HomePod Mini have one included in the box. That's, I think, the only product. Oh, and the iPads as well. But yeah, so all iPhones right now and AirPods come with a USB-C to Lightning cable, or USB-C to USB-C in the case of the iPads. And yeah, so you're expected to plug, of course, the Lightning port on your device and the USB-C here. So we'll see how this looks. This should look exactly the same as the 18-watt power adapter. I don't own one of those, so I haven't seen one of these. Okay, it's like even comically small, to be honest. 1 per pack weight, Cupertino. Take this off, and this is it. This is the thing. Actually, I have to say that I like this feel more than the original one. I like this glossy. I prefer the matte. But yeah, so you have it here, 20 watts, of course. And yeah, so you plug this in. Let's take this off right here. Another of the big controversies that we've had with this power adapter this year, MagSafe Duo charger and MagSafe chargers as well. Yeah, this is it. Very cute, very nice. I'm guessing it works, should work. But yeah, this is it. It's literally this. It's nothing else. It's a power adapter. You know how those work by now. But yeah, so the MagSafe Duo. MagSafe Duo has been tested and said by Apple that it doesn't work with this one at full power. It will work with this one. In fact, I think it's the one that's advertised behind the box. However, it will not charge your iPhone at full speed, which I don't think it's an issue. I'll upload a video talking more in depth about that. But anyway, you will have to use the 30-watt power adapter for both, for that I mean. And also, of course, if you want to charge your iPhone faster, you can use that one. This is good for the standalone MagSafe charger, or whether you would just want to wire, wire your thing to the thing. But yeah, this is like sticky here, I don't know why. Yeah, that's it. So, as I was saying, I have the 30-watt power adapter as well. And I can do a comparison. In fact, I did one comparing it to the regular, I think it was 12 watt with the iPad. So if you want me to do it with this one, thumbs up below to let me know, and subscribe so you don't miss if I upload that video. But anyway, let's continue with the unboxing. What else is in here? Nothing. It's paperwork, more paperwork. That's a lot of things. Apple Watch, this is a language I don't speak. To charge Apple Watch, iPhone or iPad. Doesn't say AirPods Max, ironically. However, it's recommended that you buy one when you buy those. Which in fact that's what I did. So I could have charged it with regular adapter, but yeah, so now I just have this for whatever. But yeah, that's it for this video, honestly. There's not much more. Just want to know from you guys if you want to see the comparison with the 30-watt adapter. Let me know down below in the comments, and also if you have any questions at all about this, let me know in the comments and I will do my very best to answer. Of course, I'm not paid by Apple, I don't work for them. I just know what I've learned from myself from being such a huge fan. So I hope I can help someone with that. But yeah, this is it. Honestly, it's bigger than I expected. Yep. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.